Hi everyone. In this video, we will see what are the different options available for us to import data in Python Builder. So for that, I'll go to my files. I'll create a new project, production, sorry, let's create a sandbox project. I'll name this one as Pipeline Builder, create project. When the project is created, I'll hit new, will search pipeline, and I'll click on this arrow. This will take me to another tab and it will load the Pipeline Builder. So we need to give a name to this Pipeline Builder. Maybe Pipeline Builder input data. I'll hit create pipeline. So the configuration we are selecting is as batch pipeline. We also have an option of streaming pipeline as well. Below the batching can also be done in standard way, faster or external. So external is something that they have recently added. So for the sake of this tutorial, we will go ahead with the standard option. I'll hit create pipeline. Okay, let me collapse the side panel. This is the landing page of the pipeline builder. I'll give you a quick walkthrough. So at the top, you see the project name, which we just created. And then we have our pipeline builder name. Okay. Below that, we have file option settings and help. At the center, we have the graph, proposal, and history. And here we have the branching options. So let's say multiple people are working on the same pipeline builder, so they can create their own branch and then they can go ahead with the proposals, merging those branches into main branch. And then we have deploy option. So once the pipeline is ready, we will deploy it using this button. To the right, we have many other options if you see here. So this is related to all the outputs. Here we have the search pipeline option, and then we have view changes. So whatever changes we will be doing after a commit, you can see those changes here. This will show you all the deployment pipeline details, which dataset you want to deploy, etc. We will see all of these options in later videos. Then we have build settings. Then we have schedulings, folders, files, and etc. Let's look at how to add data into the Palantir pipeline builder. So as you can see, we have right now four options to us, which is add Foundry data. If your data is already available in Palantir Foundry, you can add using that option. Add data to Foundry, which allow you to add data directly from external systems. Third option is upload from your computer. If you have any file at your local and you want to upload it, so we can go ahead with this option. And finally, manual entry. So we'll go one by one. To add data from Foundry, I'll hit that. It will show me all the data sets which is available in Palantir Foundry right now. So within Pipeline Builder, we do not have any data, so we have zero. Let me show you in another project which I have. Let me show you this. I have done some POCs and then there I have created this dataset movement. So I just hit that add button. It just came here in the dataset to add option. I'll click add data. This is how you can add any dataset to your Pipeline Builder if your data available inside the Palantir Foundry. Below you can see the data inside the dataset. Okay, these are some sample data which I generated using ChatGPT. Now let's data, add data from computer, let's say. So you can drag and drop your file here, or maybe you can choose the file directly. So I'll hit it, and I have the CSV file. I'll just add this CSV file here, and this is allowing me to select how I want to import that CSV file into my Python builder. So the first option says upload as a structured dataset, which is recommended. Second option is upload to a new media set. Media set as in audio, video, etc. Upload to a new unstructured data. Let's say you are not sure what kind of data you are working with. It's unstructured. So you can select that. But we know our file is a CSV file, so it can be uh, assumed as a dataset, structured dataset. So we will go with the first option, upload. It will take some time. Yeah, finally the dataset is uploaded and inserted inside my pipeline builder. Let me show you. So this is the data. I can zoom in, zoom out. Let me collapse the right hand side. So this is the movement. This is the financial transactions. Now let me show you another way to add data, which is enter data manually. Okay, so let me add a column. I'll give the column name as employee ID. Let me add another column, employee name, and then salary name. Okay, three columns are added. I can also give the values to it. So 101, Anand, salary 100. Let's say another employee 102, Raj, salary 200. So we just mocked up the data, created the columns. Let me hit apply. So data is saved. Close this one. You can see a new node named as manually enter data, and below you can see the data. This is how you can insert your manual data in Pipeline Builder. And the last option is import data to Foundry. This will allow you to connect external systems to your Pipeline Builder directly. Okay. So right now, let's say I want to connect to AWS. So it will search the existing connectors if you have. Using that, you can connect. But I haven't created any. Let me show you Azure. Yeah. See, we have REST API, Azure Synapse, Databricks. So these are all connectors. So let's say you want to connect Databricks. I do not have any account right now, but this is the way to connect any external systems to your Pipeline Builder directly. So import source and configurations. Give the host name, HTTP path, authentications, network connectivity. You can configure that, and then finally that will create a sync inside your Pipeline Builder. So these are the four ways that you can import the data in Pipeline Builder. In next video, I'll be explaining how we can use the data and perform certain transformations. Thank you so much. See you in next video.